Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Klarna spending limit. So first is you have to understand how much you're eligible to increase your spending limit. So as per Klarna, there is no predefined spending limit when using Klarna. Instead, a new automated approval decision about how much you can spend with us is made each time you pay with Klarna. So eligibility is based on factors such as your payment history with Klarna, outstanding balance, and total amount in your shopping cart, and our ability to identify you. So first, you must really have to spend using Klarna to increase your eligibility, to make you eligible for the spending limit increase in Klarna. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.